Hey Nail Fam, I hope you guys are having a fantabulous Friday. I received a package from Beetles Gel Polish, which I am just over the moon for. It is their new gel liners. Now, I don't know if this is one of their first set or if they've had other gel liners before this. I think they did actually. Anywho, this is my first official gel liner collection from Beetles Gel Polish. You guys know that I am obsessed with gel liners. You need gel liners in your life. And these are all beautiful fall colors, and I don't think I have anything similar. So here I am showing you the names of all of these gorgeous mini, because these are smaller than the usual gel liners I have. The other gel liners I have are 8 mil and these ones are 5 mil. But I actually really like that they are smaller because I had a little bit more control when I was doing my little line work. So what I'm going to do before I start talking your ears off is I'm just going to go ahead and swatch the colors for you so you can have an idea of what the colors look like in case you may be interested. And if you are interested, I do have a discount code that will be down in the description. So I will be quiet for just a little bit, let you see what the colors look like. And then we're going to get into a really fun nail art design. Okay, so this is the final color in this gel liner collection. It is absolutely beautiful. It ended up being one of my favorites from this collection. Now, what I wanted to also show you is how thin of a line you can get from these brushes. So I just removed the excess gel polish, and now I'm just showing you that you could actually get some really thin lines. So here is a final look at all of the colors that are in this gel polish collection. Now let's get started on the nail design. So as you would have seen from the thumbnail, we are doing some plaid, some split plaid and some split sweater nails, because what is fall and autumn all about? Plaid nails and sweater nails. And rather than just doing, a regular design, I just decided I'd put all two of them on the nail and see how it turned out. So I picked out my colors. I'm using all Beetles gel polish here. I've got my top coat and my base gel, and then I've got my colors. I'm going to start off with this 951. I don't remember which collection I got this from, but I purchased this. I think this was a part of a 6 or 8 piece collection, and the colors in this collection was absolutely beautiful. If I can remember what the collection looks like from Amazon, I'll put a picture up on the screen. So what I'm going to do is, I already filed and buffed my nails. I'm going to go in with a very thin layer of the gel polish onto my bare nails. I did not put any base gel onto my nails prior to doing this. What I'm trying to do here is kind of make this color a little bit more jelly-like. So once I have that thin layer on, here's how that layer is looking. That looks absolutely stunning. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my Beetles gel, my base gel from Beetles, and I'm going to apply that on top of that gel polish layer. I'm not going to cure it just yet. You're just going to simply apply the base gel, leave it on the nail wet, and then you're going to go back in with that same brown color, which we're trying to make into a nude because the brown color is already creamy. It's already opaque. And we want to make this more jelly. And what does base gel do to gel polish? It causes it to bloom, it causes it to spread out, and it causes it to thin the gel polish. So essentially all jelly gel polishes are base gels with a little tint of a gel polish color. So now that I have the gel polish on there, the base gel, now I'm putting on my colored gel polish. I hope this is not confusing. And we're going to leave it just for a couple of seconds, let it bloom, let it, spread out and get into each other, kind of meld. I don't know what the word I'm trying to look for, guys. We're just going to let the two gel polishes combine together. And here it is. How absolutely stunning does that color look? Absolutely beautiful. There's no streaks, no shrieks, no gaps, no nothing. Base gel simply just levels everything out and it gives it the perfect shine. So if you wanted to just do new jelly gel polish colors on your nails, some jelly type colors with the colors that you already have, all you need to do is add base gel. All right, let's get back into the nail design. So here is where I'm going to start off with my split nail design. I'm going to draw the sweater side first. And we're just going to take that line art gel brush and we're just going to go straight down the nail and we're going to fill in this half of the nail. Once this half of the nail is completely covered with this beautiful teal color, we're going to give it a cure for 30 seconds, just a quick flash cure for 30 seconds so it doesn't move whilst we work on the other half of the design. The other half of the design, which is coming up, is going to be our plaid nail design. And we're going to do a really low white fringe and we're going to draw some lines on top of that. All right, so stick around just for a little bit. Keep on watching and I hope you enjoy. Okay, so now we're gonna do our deep French, our deep half French on to the other side of this nail. And we're gonna take that white gel liner and we are just gonna go ahead and gently glide our brush from the center of the nail all the way to the side. Don't stop, just keep going. I find that when I stop, that's when the line gets a little bit crooked, so. My mouth is far away from my phone, but someone commented that I used to be breathing into my phone too hard. And guys, I apologize if you could hear like me breathing every time I try to speak or anything like that. But I'm actually, I don't know if it's just the phone. Like, these iPhones, they be picking up everything inside the room. So sorry about that. If y'all could hear me huffing and puffing. Why did I do that just now? Anyway, back to the nails. Okay, so we finally finished our half French, our deep half French nail. Now we're going to move on to doing the plaid. And plaids are simply just a bunch of lines going down and going across, vertical and horizontal. So I'm just going to grab a few colors and we're going to go ahead and create our own little plaid nail. So we're now done with the plaid nail design, and we're going to protect the design that we have done so far. So we're now going to just go ahead and add our top gel. We're going to give this a cure under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. Now I am going to come back to this nail to do this sweater drawing on it a little bit later, but we're going to move on to the other nails. Again, we're going to get started with applying that beautiful brown gel polish, brown nude. It has like a pink undertone to it as well. To all of the nails, a very thin layer. Once we have that thin layer on, then we're going to go ahead and apply base gel on top of that layer. Whilst the base gel is still wet, we're going to go back into that 951 gel polish, and we're going to create our little jelly kind of nail. Once we're done with the gel and the base gel combining together, we will give it a cure under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now for the nail design on the pinky finger as well as the middle finger, we are going to go ahead and use this 955 glitter gel polish, which is absolutely stunning. And we're simply going to apply this to about half of the nail. And we're going to take an ombre brush and just kind of feather the top of the nail to create that ombre effect. All right, so here's how we're looking. Off camera, I am going to do my ring finger because it's the exact same nail design that I did on my thumb, so you definitely don't need to see that. And then for my index finger, we're doing a deep French with the white gel liner. I just draw a T in the center of the nail and then we kind of just swoop it around, and here's how that's looking. I think this is one of my best jobs at doing a deep French nail design. All right, so here's how the nails are looking so far. You could stop here. They look absolutely stunning. But of course, you know me, I need to add something a little unique, a little wild, a little different to the nail design. So what I wanted to do is just go ahead and draw my little lines on to the two half teal parts of the nails on the thumb and the ring finger. And we're just gonna go ahead and draw some lines. And these have already been top coated. So once I have this gel liner and the lines on, I'm just gonna pour some clear acrylic on top of it. So to draw the sweater nail, first you're just gonna start off by putting two lines parallel to each other. So you know the equal sign? Instead of the equal sign going vertical, you're gonna make the equal sign. Instead of the equal sign going horizontal, you're gonna make the sign go equal. What am I saying, brah? Just draw two lines next to each other, please, on top of each other. So it's 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And once you have all of those next to each other, what I was trying to say was make the equal sign instead of being horizontal, vertical. I don't know why I couldn't get it out. And then you're just going to swoop the lines together. Now you probably wouldn't be able to see it clearly on my nail because obviously the gel polish is the same color as the gel polish. Duh. So, but sweater nails are just easy to do. I mean, you could just do sweater nails and just get fall and autumn nail design out the door. Sweater and plaid. That's just basically, that's fall. That's it. That's why I love Halloween. Getting sidetracked. So the final part of the sweater nail is we're just going to draw some little sideways strokes down the side of the nail. And then we're just going to do some dots down the middle, down the center of the nail. And that's basically it. And once we have all the gel polish on, we're going to go in with some clear acrylic. So once we poured the acrylic on and we give it a cure under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds, I'm just going to take a scrub brush and just kind of brush off that excess acrylic. And here's where you can actually see the design a little bit better. And that's actually not bad at all. You know, I was worried that it would be like a little bit weird and it would like overpower the plaid. I probably could have done without the dots down the center because they kind of are too close to the plaid. So, you know, the plaid started to hide on that ring finger. It's more clear on the thumb because my thumb is bigger. But anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial. Thank you again to Beetles for sending me these gel polishes. I hope you guys give this nail design a try. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.